In this video, I will show you how to use stickers in ESPN Football chat. For that, simply open up the Fantasy app, then go to the Football section. In the top right corner, you will see this messaging icon. Click on it. From here, choose a particular league where you want to chat. Now from here, you can see this message box at the bottom of the screen, and right beside it in the left corner, you can see this emoji type icon. Click on it. Now you can find two sections here at the bottom of the screen, GIF section and sticker section. Click on stickers. Now from here you can see multiple sticker options here. You can simply click on any sticker that you like. Once the tick bar appears in the sticker, in the top right corner you can see this send icon. Click on it. And that's it. The sticker will be sent in the group chat. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.